Are you struggling with maths and feel like no matter how much you study, it still doesn't make sense? Don't worry, you're not alone. I will help you fix that.
Hello, my name is Ali. I am from Pakistan and I am a mathematics tutor. I have completed my MS degree from Comsat University Islamabad Aptabad campus, which has strengthened my analytical thinking and deep understanding of mathematical concepts. I help students to understand math in a very simple, logical and step-by-step way so they don't just memorize, they actually understand. In our classes, I don't rush formulas directly. First, I make sure your bases are strong. Then I guide you through problem in an easy and clear way so you can solve the problem by your own. I focus on concept clarification, step-by-step method, building confidence to solve their problem. Whether you are a school student preparing for exam or someone who want to improve your basic math, I can guide you according to your level. If you want to finally understand math instead of just memorize it, book a lesson with me. Let's make math easy together. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the class. Thank you.